ETH, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis in my last video, since the price was exactly within this move, we mentioned we're looking for buy, and this is what we get. And after that, the price dropped. Most of the charts we have this down move, but we didn't have the update since I was away. Was okay. And if I move to daily chart, again, I need to refer to my last analysis, last video, and I was keep mentioning after the price broke this low, and especially when the price was within the price broke this correction when the price was within this, we mentioned we can expect the price to drop. We're looking for the correction either similar to what we have this one or any of this. Okay, that's why if we mention if we're looking for buy, we should be aware of this possibility, and exactly this is what we get. Okay, that's why I mentioned any trade from now on onward, we have to be aware of the down move. Okay, and in this case, now we move to lower time frame. We see how we can look for the trade, and based on indicators, we don't have much information. The only thing is we want to see whether we can get the correction for continuation or reversal. Okay, but forward chart doesn't show us anything. And if I move to 1 hour chart, and what we have here, the thing is whether we can put this one as a running flat for one more drop, or I mean this one can turn to any of this for price to drop, how deep it can go. Okay, or the price can reverse from here. But do we have any reversal? We don't have the divergence, and as well here we cannot look for the reversal. And since most of the charts we get the flat at this part, still the possibility of this one become a deeper is there. Okay, now the thing is how we can look for buy. Shall we wait for one more drop and we follow the other charts like Bitcoin and the rest before we get the reversal, or the price can reverse from here? Okay, now the thing is still we can expect the price to drop before we get the reverse, because if the price drop with the breakout of this, we can refer to the indicators and maybe we can get the reversal divergence. It can give us better confirmation. But if we get the correction here also, we can look for buy, or even if the price sharply correct move from here, any flag, we can look for buy. But any buy, as long as the price haven't retest this low, we consider as a short-term buy. As long as we get into the profit, we start to manage. This is what I mean by short-term. And what we're looking for the sharp move, not the corrective move. When we talk about the short-term, this is what I mean. And it doesn't mean that if we get a reversal from here, the price cannot retest this top. It can, but we should have the proper management rather than the price with the, rather than reversal with the breakout of this low. Okay, anyway, right now we cannot look for buy. If we get a correction here, we can look at this. Okay, and in this case we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.